and other topics like complex numbers, sequence and series, permutation combinations. Okay, fine. The minimum and maximum values of cos x plus 3 root 2 sine x plus pi by 4 plus 6. So here we need to find minimum value and maximum value. See student, we cannot find directly the minimum and maximum value. So we can change it to standard form. What is the standard form? A cos x plus b sin x. Okay, it should be x alone, not x plus pi by 4, x minus pi by 4, x plus pi by 6 like that. We require only x, then okay, plus c. Here the minimum value is, what is the minimum value in that case? Minimum value is c minus root over a square plus b square. Remember this formula. Maximum value will be c plus root over a square plus b square. Then this is the minimum, this is the maximum, right? Students, minimum. This is the maximum value. So including both, it is called the range. In some question, they're asking the range of the given function. Okay, f of x, let us consider this is the f of x. They may ask a range. Range means we have to find minimum value and maximum value. So now your range will be bracket of same c minus root over a square plus b square, c plus root over a square plus b square. But in this question, this is the function they given. We need to find minimum and maximum value. We should not compare. We should not compare directly because it is not in the form of a cos x. Okay, a cos x, but b, okay. Is it a sin x? Sin x plus pi by 4 should not equal to sin x, right? So we can make them to x by applying sin a plus b. Sin a plus b. Okay, now f of x is equal to cos x plus 3 root 2 sin of a plus b. Sin a cos b. A student, what is sin a plus b formula? A, this is a, this is b.
The sin A cos B plus sin B cos.
Yes, sin b cos a, cos a, sin b. Okay, plus 6 as it is. Plus 6 is a constant. C is a constant. Okay, I applied here from this sin a. Now, see here, this is okay, cos x multiply with 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 sin x
1 by root 2 sin.
1 by root
1
2
by
sin. We can
1 by
take
root
1 by root 2 common.
1 by root 2
okay, 1 by root 2. Oh no,
plus
first
cos x.
no, you should multiply with 3 root 2
Okay, sir. Plus
cos x into 1 by root 2. Now okay, fine, your root 2 root 2 root 2 root 2 get cancelled. Now you can write cos your
4 cos x.
yes, yes, here 3 cos x, remaining 3 cos x plus cos x, 4 cos x, right? 4 cos x plus what about sine? 3 sin x plus 6. Now okay, it is in standard form. Clearly it is in the form of a cos x plus b sin x plus c. C value is 6. So what are the a, b, c values? A value 4, b value 3, c value is 6. Now finally, what is the question here? We need to find the minimum and maximum. Okay, first I would like to find like a minimum value. Minimum value. What is minimum value for?
C minus root 2 p square plus b square.
Right, that's all. Yeah, all of substitute 6 minus root over 3 square plus 4 square. Yeah, 6 minus 25.
1
That is
sir.
nothing but 6 minus 5. So minimum value is 1. Then in the same way, maximum value.
11 sir.
That's all. C plus root over A square plus B square, that is 6 plus 5, 11. Got it? So what is the answer?
1,
1 comma first option. Like that, you must change first in standard form. Now in this case, what shall we do in question number 13?
So can you show the
Sorry,
solution for
expand sin x cos
question?
x, sir.
Yeah, do it fast, all of you. Try and tell me. Try to tell me what is the correct answer. It is simple. Can you do any option verification? Yes. For example, substitute x is equal to 0. What is the answer we'll get? X is equal to 0. Sin 0 is 0. Cos 0, 1. 1 square is 1. Plus, when I put 0, cos pi by 4, how much? Cos pi by 4. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 the whole square. 1 plus 1 by 2, nothing but 3 by 2. Is there any option 3 by 2? No. There is no option 3 by 2. Okay. Clear, students? Yeah, Suresh sir is calling me. Yeah, you can try this question. Question number 13.
Sir, can you show the solution of class question 12, sir?
Sorry.
Sir, can you show the solution for question 12, sir?
Okay, 13. Yeah.
No, solved one, sir. Solved by you.
Oh, for before question. Okay. Yes, twins. Can you tell me what is the question? Question is sin x
plus
plus
cos x
cos
the
x.
whole square
Okay,
plus cos square pi by 4 plus x.
cos square pi by 4 plus x. Okay, fine. So here, look at here.
The
Shall I
answer
do
is
like
1
this?
comma 2, sir.
1 comma 2.
Yes, sir. If
So
we take
we'll get
x equal to 0 and x equal to 90, we are getting these values.
right. You're saying about option 3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let us see option 3 or not. Uh,
Sir, I am also getting the same option, sir.
mostly 1 comma 2 alone. So how you done? Whether you simplified or else you substituted that x value.
Substitute 0 and 1, sir. 0
0
and
and
90.
90.
Okay, when you substitute 0, here, 1
3 by 2,
plus
sir.
3 by 2 you are getting. Okay, fine. Next to you substituted pi by 2.
Yes, sir.
Pi by 2 also nothing but same value only you'll get. No? Same value you'll get. Square is there. Again you are going to get 3 by 2. Okay.
Sir, we can
Then
do option cancellation also, no, sir. 3 by 2 is greater than 1, so we can cancel first option, sir.
sure. We'll get one of the value is 3 by 2, whether 3 by 2 is minimum value or maximum value.
Sir, it is minimum.
Because 3 by 2 is belongs to all the given options. So now
Sir, no,
not
sir,
first option.
first option.
Not first option. Remaining 3 option 3 by 2 is belongs to remaining 3. Which one is correct then? And one more thing, it should not be 0 for any value of x. So we can eliminate clearly 1 and 3. Second and third. 1, 2, 3 we can easily eliminate because it should not be a 0 for any value of x. For every x belongs to R, it should not be equal to 0 because sin x plus cos x is there. Minimum will get some value.
It will become 1 plus something, sir.
Yeah, okay. Even sometimes it
Sir,
may
we
be
can
0 because
also we can
135.
also say that the graph between sine and cos will be 1 and minus 1 only, so it will not be. So 0 cannot come.
0 cannot. Even if you take 135, it will be 0. Okay, first one will be 0 because sine 135 1 by root 2, cos 135 is minus 1 by root 2, get 0. But when you substitute 135 here, it should not, because cos square means cos 180 will get 135 plus 45, 180. 180 means minus 1 square is plus 1. So minimum value we get 1. We should not get 0. So with the help of option verification, we can say very easily answer. We should not get 0. So that first, second, third option won't come. Just the third option will come. Okay, 0, 0, 0 will be there in one, first, second, and fourth option. Like that also will do. And generally how to do that? Simplification sometimes quite difficult to do the verification compared to verification. So multiply and dividing with root 2. When I multiply and dividing with root 2, 1 by root 2 plus cos x 1 by root 2 whole square plus cos square pi by 4 plus x. So look at here. Now root 2 you can take outside, root 2 square. Now shall I write here sin x into 1 by root 2 is cos pi by 4 plus cos x into sin pi by 4. I can write like this, plus cos square pi by 4 plus x. This is the way we can simplify. Okay. So here root 2 means 2. 2 of sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Shall I write here pi by 4 plus x the whole square. Let us take this is a, this is b. Sin a, sorry. Here wish sin a cos b plus cos sin a plus b. Either you can write pi by 4 plus x or x plus pi by 4. Both will be same alone. Pi by 4 plus cos square pi by 4 plus x. Now see here, this 2 times I want to write separately. Like, shall I write like this? Sin square, sin x plus pi by 4 whole square can be written as sin square pi by 4 plus x plus sin square pi by 4 plus x plus cos square pi by 4 plus x. Now whatever this value? 1. 1 plus square, the s square is there. So what is the minimum value here? Minimum value? Exactly, because you know sin
We
square
know
is
square will be always positive.
yeah,
0
positive
or
always
positive.
plus.
Sir, if it
0
is
minimum.
0 also, we have 1 here, no sir. So minimum value
That,
should be 1.
that is the reason minimum value is 1. Minimum value should not be 0, so that the third option is correct. Even by simplification also we can say the third option is correct. Absolutely correct. Yes. So any doubts in that question? Okay, then let proceed for next question. Okay, here a value sin for 8. Sin for 8 plus cos for 14, because it is not just the angle is theta alone, not 2 theta, not different angles. The same angle theta, simply you can write sin for 8 cos for 14. So according to the given option, they are asking here a lies between from 0 to 1, 0 to 1, and 2a lies between 1 to 3. So 1 to, so a minimum value is 1. The maximum value 1 by 2, minimum value is 0. So which is correct?
Sir,
Here,
verification, sir, we
Sir,
can do
we can
yeah, very
directly say first option is the answer,
first
sir.
option only, sir.
Yeah, how can you say first option? Okay, fine.
Sir,
We are
Sir,
for
because
dividing.
minimum powers,
as we are covering, sir, we will get the positive values only, sir.
Okay,
Sign figure lies between the -1 and 1 only, sir. If we square, we will get 0 and 1. So, first option is answer.
okay, fine. See here, all the options having positive values only. We don't have any negative values. Fine. Okay, here, 0 is given. 0 is given, right? 0 lesser than 1, even it is not equal to 0, but uh, is there, are you going to get the value is 1? For what value of theta it will be 1? Yeah, you make it take 0
0
for
or
theta.
90, sir.
0 and
0.
90.
Okay, we are getting 1. 1. We verified that we got one value is 1.
Sir, so fourth option we can cancel, sir.
Yeah, fourth option we can cancel it. So and also see here sine value maximum 1. Sine value, for example, sine 9, sine, for example, sine 60 I'm taking, or sine 30 you can take. Sine 60 alone you can take, root 3 by 2. Sine square, square, that is 3 by 4. Sine power 4, 9 by 16. So is here 3 by 4 highest value or 9 by 16 highest value?
3
How
by
can
4.
you? 3 by 4, because you can cross multiply it.
Cross multiply
48 greater than
30.
36. Yeah, clearly 3 by 4 highest value. When you, the power is increasing, when the power is increasing, the value is decreasing. Am I right? Sine you can see root 3 by 2. Sine square you can see 3 by 4. Okay, sine power 4 9 by 6.
Sir,
Like
this
that 1
happens
power
only for less than 1.
lesser than
The
1.
third
Okay.
option also we can cancel, sir, because its highest value is 1, but they have given A is greater than 1.
Yeah. So when we dividing with 2, 2, it is 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. It is not possible. A value is 1 by 2 to 2, 3 by 2. Yes, clearly the given minimum value is 1 by 2. We can cancel already fourth option, and we can, it is not more greater than or equal to 1. So minimum value is, sorry, maximum value is 1 only. Here A greater than or equal to 1 means minimum value is alone 1. So when you take any other values of theta, for example, theta is equal to, you can take pi by 4 something. It should not be greater than pi by 4. It is lesser than pi by 4, right? So third option also wrong. So what is the correct option? First option by option verification. But generally what to do here? Simple. Since we know that your, shall I take a sine power 8 is lesser than sine square? Sorry, sine square. Cos power 14 lesser than, shall I take cos power 14? Sorry, cos square. Just now I told you, when the power is increasing, the value is decreasing. So compared to sine power 8, sine square having highest value. And compared to cos power 14, cos square having highest value. Shall I take like this? See, sine power 8 is lesser than or equal to sine square, plus cos power 14 is lesser than or equal to cos square. Then what about sine square plus cos square? Yes, students.
1, sir.
Yeah, it is equal to 1. So then A, shall I write lesser than or equal to 1 or not? Directly. Logically you can think sine power 8 lesser than or equal to sine square, cos power 14 lesser than or equal to cos square. When I adding these two, lesser than or equal to this value actually 1. So finally A we got lesser than or equal to 1. So lesser than or equal to 1 we got. Here lesser than or equal to 1.5, wrong. Lesser than 1 by 2, wrong. Not greater than. First option. Is that clear? That's all. Next, 15th question. That is question
So
number
only can you
14C.
show the solution for 13th question, sir?
Yeah. 13th or 14th?
13, sir.
Okay, fine.
Scroll a bit down, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. 14th question clear? Yeah. Then next question. Can anyone verify the option? Yes, students. Substitute some different theta values. See option they given cos square 1.
The sine square 1 means 1 radian, sir.
Yeah, 1 radian.
Okay.
Where we don't have any degree, it is a radian. See, student, it is easy to verify that for any value of theta, are you going to get cos square 1? Yes, anyone. Take any theta value. Theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to 90.
For theta is equal to 0, we get cos for 1.
Yes, yes. Theta is equal to 0, cos square 1. Theta is equal to 90, sin square 1. Yes or no? But when I take theta is equal to 0, what is the answer? Just cos square 1. Am I right? What about the second value, student?
Becomes 0.
See here, we can easily verify the option. When I take theta is equal to 0, okay, cos square 1 is there, but here 1 plus cos square, 2 plus cos square 1. When I substitute theta is equal to 0 alone, we are getting cos square 1. For any other value of theta, it should not be 1. Theta is equal to 0. Even theta is equal to, okay, theta is equal to like 360, 720, okay, 1080, it will be okay. But other values must be, we are getting 0. When I take theta is equal to 360, 720, whatever, but only cos square 1. Is there any only cos square 1? When I substitute theta is equal to 0, this sine 0 is 0, sine square 0 also 0 again. Sine square 0 also 0. Finally, this will be 0. 0 plus cos square 1, cos square 1. So, here 1 plus cos square 1 is there? Not possible, not possible. If they given option only cos square 1, that is absolutely right. But when you take a theta is equal to 90, theta is equal to 90,
We get only sine square 1. Sir.
only sine square. Are you sure? Friends, carefully you can do that. When theta is equal to 90, 90. Okay, what is cos 90?
0, sir.
0. What is cos 0? Cos square 0.
1
Cos 0
plus
is
sine square 1.
1 plus. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the answer?
Second.
Second option. Yeah, even you can look at that second option. This is the option verification. Otherwise, you can change this cos square in terms of sine square, like cos square of cos theta. We can written as 1 minus sine square of cos theta plus sine square of sine theta. Am I right? So anyhow, here we got 1 minus of this. So when I take different theta values, so now we can substitute theta values, or else 1 plus sine square sine theta minus sine square cos theta we got. So the value 1 plus something. Now when I substitute theta is equal to 90, then we'll get sine square 1. That's all. 1 plus something will get. We can make them this value 0, 1 plus sine something will get. So these two already we eliminated. So 1 plus something we are getting the value. So first option also wrong, like that. So see question number 16. This is directly in standard form. A cos x plus b sin x minus 13 is equal to 0. So what is A value? A value 5, B value is 12. What is C value? Minus 13. Am I right? Then the
Yes, sir.
maximum value of this. Okay. C
Sir,
students,
cos, sir. It is cos x plus cos y, sir.
which one? The 16th one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here the thing is
Sir,
two
I
different
think we'll
variables are
square
there.
both the equation and add up, sir.
That's all. Because here two different variables. Whenever we are having two different variables, we cannot use the formula. If it is same variable alone, we can apply the formula. Whenever we are having two different variables, we can just make them to a single variable, like just squaring and adding. Okay, all of you do that. This is equal to, you can take some k. Second one you can take some k, then squaring and adding. Simple. Do it fast. See, 16th, they given option 2 is the correct answer. Just verify that. Check whether your answer square root of 120 or not. Nothing but k value alone we need to find. That's all. Squaring and adding, then k square plus 13 square, 5 square into 1 plus 12 square into 1. Nothing but 5 square, 12 square, 13 square get cancelled. Yes or no? When you squaring and adding, I think so you are going to get like this. 12 square plus common cos x sin y plus sin x cos y is equal to k square plus 13 square. Am I right, students?
Yes, sir.
Get it, 12 square, 5 square plus 12 square, how much? 169. Am I right? This is clearly 169. 13 square also 169. Shall I cancel these two directly? So then what about k square? K square is equal to 2 5 is a 10. 10 into 12, 120. 120 here cos, sorry here. Okay, cos x cos y, yeah, sin x sin y.
Cos x
Here
plus y.
cos x cos, sin x sin y. So cos of x minus y, not x plus y. Whenever we are having plus, it will becomes minus. K is equal to plus or minus root over 120 cos of x minus y. So they asking about the maximum value. Okay, what is the maximum value, student? Maximum value means
Substitute 0 and 90, sir.
yeah. So no. X minus y value. What is cos maximum values? Cos of whatever it is, it may be x minus y. Yeah, one, that is nothing but root
One,
over
sir.
120. That's all. Simple. Okay. Cos maximum value, what one you can substitute. If they ask in case minimum value, you can take root over minus 120. Because plus or minus we are getting. Okay, students. Any doubts from your side?
No, sir.
No, sir.